Hi, I'm Catherine. I'm a personal trainer. I've put together 4 exercises you can do at home or in the gym to work on shaping your legs. So do these exercises twice a week and soon you will start to notice a difference. Oh, and if you could hit the like and the subscribe button, that would really help me grow this channel so I could make more videos for you to do at home. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, let's warm up. You must do this before any exercise program. Step ups, we're going to do these for 30 seconds. So in your own pace, just raise your knee, alternately up towards your chest and back down again. Don't forget to breathe. Up and down, nearly there. Well done. This is for the hip, we're doing leg swings. I'm holding a bar for balance, you can use a chair or a wall. And you're going to swing one leg at a time, backwards and forwards. 10 reps, and then swap legs. Backwards and forwards. Nice long swings. One, two, nearly there. We're done. Okay, my favorite would be body squats. Legs shoulder width apart, point your toes slightly outwards, hinge your hips back as you lower your body and return upright. Down, up, down, up, down, up. We only do this for 10 times. We bring in the dumbbells with our body squats. Keep this dumbbell against your chest, your feet are shoulder width apart, your toes are slightly out, and lower your body, keep that dumbbell close. Whatever stance is comfortable for you. Ensure your knees don't collapse inward, keep them out above your toes. You're going to do this movement 10 times, nice and slow. We're never in a hurry. 10. And then you're going rest for 60 seconds and repeat 2 more times. Then we move on to lunges. A dumbbell in each hand, hands by your side. So you're going to step forward and then back. Forward, lower the back knee towards the ground, back. The body is upright. Ensure the front knee doesn't move beyond your toes. So just forward, down, up, back. Forward, down, up, back. Forward, down, up, back. Once we do 10 reps, we're then going to swap and do the other side. And you're going to do 10 reps on the other leg. And once you have completed your 10 reps, we're going to rest for 60 seconds and repeat 2 more times. Next is RDLs. Stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart and the dumbbells in your hand against your thigh. Lower your arms towards the ground. Keep your back straight. Think I'm closing the door with your butt as you hinge your hips back. Repeat this movement nice and slow. So keep those dumbbells close to your legs. Hinge your hips backwards. Close the door up. We do 10 RDLs. Rest for 60 seconds and repeat 2 more times. Calf raises. Use a step in the house. Place both feet on the step, focusing on your toes. Lower your heels to the ground. Raise your back up high and back down again. Up and down. You're going to repeat this exercise once again. Rest for 60 seconds and repeat 2 more times. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and give me some comments. Those actions help this channel grow and allow me to create more at-home workouts for you.